I'm going to cut to big news coming in. BJP and the TMC face off in West Bengal's Barakpur. Scuffle that's broken out between BJP leader Kaustav Bagchi and the TMC workers in Barakpur. Bagchi alleges miscreants vandalized his vehicle. Now, we're seeing fifth phase, also violence reported in some parts of West Bengal. And this is in Barakpur, where we hear the BJP and the TMC is facing off. Scuffle between BJP leader Kaustav Bagchi and the TMC workers in Barakpur, while Bagchi alleges miscreants have vandalized his vehicle. It's really getting heated. The fifth phase of polling in West Bengal continues with spate of violence. Suryagni joining us live for more on that. Suryagni, we're in fact surprised to see this kind of violence that ensues in West Bengal despite central forces. Do we know if central forces are adequately deployed? Because we saw in the assembly elections as well, there were central forces going to violence, threat of law and order there. Is that a situation even during the Lok Sabha? Are there central forces deployed to avoid instances like this?
Well, Nabila, when it comes to central forces deployment, West Bengal is, it has the highest number of deployment in the country. That is the central forces that has been deployed in the state of West Bengal for the 7-phase polling. The number is highest. That's the highest deployment. Second comes Jammu and Kashmir. Now, speaking about this particular clash that happened in Barakpur. Barakpur is a high contested seat. Barakpur's, MP, the sitting MP was Arjun Singh. He's contesting on a BJP ticket once again. Now, the incident that we are speaking about, Nabila, it is regarding a BJP leader by the name of Kaustav Bagchi, who alleges that miscreants vandalized his vehicle. That was when he arrived at one particular booth, and a scuffle happened between some Trinamool Congress workers and him. So this incident has happened today while polling continued, in other parts of this particular Lok Sabha constituency and other Lok Sabha constituencies like Hooghly and Uluberia and Bonga. Kaustav Bagchi, BJP leader, he's alleging that his vehicle was vandalized by miscreants. And before that, he had a scuffle with some Trinamool workers in the Lok Sabha constituency of Barakpur. Back to you.
Okay. Thanks very much, Suryagni. Well, Congress, at this point, we're looking at West Bengal violence being reported from different parts.